Previously on George Mason TV, I spent $100 on Fiverr paying strangers to Photoshop my Instagram. Now that video left a bit of a hole in my pocket, $100 deep. The Balenciaga fund's not going to pay for itself. So this week I'm heading back onto Fiverr, but not to spend more money, to make money. I'm going to work on Fiverr for one whole week, offering a whole load of services to strangers for as cheap as a $5. I want to see what a week in the life of a Fiverr seller is like, how much we can make, who we interact with, and the most important question, if I can make back the $100 I spent last time. So first things first, I had to sign up for Fiverr as a seller. Ready to start selling on Fiverr? Here's the breakdown. I read through all of Fiverr's advice on being a good seller, and we were ready. Alright, it's time to create our seller profile. Okay, first name, George. Oh, I can't spell. Last name, Mason. Profile picture. What should I post the profile picture? It said something professional. This one will do. Very professional. That is the one. Your occupation. Is there a YouTuber here? I then had to add my skills and rate what they were on a level of beginner, intermediate, and expert. So I put expert for everything. From Photoshop to babysitting. Yeah, I don't really know why I did that. I was just trying to cover all the bases. All done. We're in. It's easy as that. And just like that, I was now officially a Fiverr seller. I spent the next hour setting up all my gigs on Fiverr. I've set up a few listings. Some of them are very normal and some of them are not normal. I'm just gonna walk you through what we've got here. So, okay, so the first one I've got here is I will Photoshop your photo for Instagram. As you can see, I've got my fake holiday photos, like the comparison. This costs £4.13, which is actually pretty cheap to be fair. Next one, I've offered to make YouTube thumbnails for the same price of £4.13. Next, I'll edit your video, and as you can see, it's a big flex of the subscribers. Next, I'll Photoshop you meeting a celebrity, and I know this isn't me, but I did do it. Here's his original photo, and then here's the photo that we replaced. £8.25. It does take a lot of effort to be fair. Next, I'll fake celebrity Instagram DMs. So I quickly just made this. I can make the chat say anything you like. Literally anything said by anyone. Just tell me what you want the conversation to say and between who. And that was basically any skill that I kind of have. So then I got to these last two and I was like, all right, what can I do that requires no skill? I will do anything you want or need. And the photo is me with a whiteboard saying, I will do anything with my Fiverr name. So they know I'm real. I'm not a catfish. I'm legit. Well, for today anyway. The final one we've got here, I will be your online boyfriend. So for this one I had a little photo shoot for, and I just tried to look like the biggest tool possible, and as you can see, I think I was pretty successful. I mean, look at that. As well as this beautiful photo shoot, I also made a video for this post. I'm genuinely sorry. So if you'd like to be my girlfriend, you want me to text you all the time, bae, I got you. Okay, that's enough of that. You get the idea. But yeah, these were our starting 7 jobs. And as you can see, they all had 0 views. So I decided to leave it for the rest of the day and leave it overnight and come back tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys, so I've just woke up. It's our first day of working on Fiverr. Yesterday was Sunday and I put all our listings live, and that was at like 3 o'clock, and I haven't checked it since then. We're gonna head on to Fiverr now. We've got 0 in our inbox, which is great. Let's check our gigs. Come on, please just have some views. Please have some views, please. We've actually had views. Oh my god. So photoshopping a celebrity, we've had 17 impressions. We've had 12 on our fake celebrity Instagram. Anything you want or need, 23. That's our most viewed one so far. Photoshop your Instagram, 18 impressions. I was honestly expecting them all to be 0, like my YouTube thumbnail 0, this one's 0, and this one's 0, but the rest have all got a few views. So what I took from this was that the more jobs you have, the more likely you're gonna get views, the more likely you're gonna get orders. So I decided I'm just gonna add loads of jobs. However, it turns out you can only have 7 gigs, and so we had to make a sacrifice. These 3 are all on 0 still. I don't think anyone wants me to be their boyfriend. No one's ever wanted me to be their boyfriend. So I got rid of the online boyfriend listing. So we're gonna create a gig, and I decided to replace the online boyfriend one with an illustration one. Kendall Jenner, look at that. Tell me that's not sick. I genuinely love this photo. Not because Kendall Jenner's in a bikini. No, that's not why. I think I did a good job of, you know, drawing this. Guys, exciting news. So I just went on to Fiverr. I was checking how all the jobs were going, and I see up here, we've got a message. I have no idea what it's for. The message is from Iszik16, and they've said, hi, I want you to make a video of yourself sitting by the computer and say 3 sentences. How soon can you do it for me? What will be the price? I'll do it for a $5, 3 sentences. Hi, I can do that. It will be $5. What are the sentences? I'm excited. We might be earning our first $5. Today is a good day. I'm counting this as a win. Right, update. It's been a few hours. I just checked my email and we've got a reply. Hi, the 3 sentences will be about a program we build for building websites. I'll give you 3 sentences that you will say why you like to work with this program. Sounds okay? Sounds great. I'll do it. So I replied to Zik saying that's fine, make the purchase and I'll do it straight away. So I told him to buy it and I'd do it, and he replied, I do not know what you have in your mouth. I'm kind of scared to open the message now. I do not know what you have in your mouth in your picture, but on your video, you... What? I do not know what you have in your mouth in the picture, but on video, you have to look more respectable. Agree? What do I have in my mouth? Oh, is he talking about the AirPods? No AirPods allowed. Alright, that's alright. So I messaged Zik back explaining to him I am very respectable, and if he even wanted, I'd wear a suit. And that was the last thing that happened in day 2. Ain't nobody got time for that. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I've just woken up. I've actually gotten 2 emails from FIVERR, both saying that the guy's messaging me back, but he's messaged me twice. So I'm gonna check what it says right now. He's replied, haha, you don't suit. Does he mean I don't have to wear a suit, or is he saying I don't suit the job? I'll let you know ASAP what I want you to say. We need recommendations on software that we build. And then he messaged me again at 3 AM saying, can you bring more people that will say something similar? If you're paying, of course I can. Right. Yeah, I can get as many people. Wait, actually, how many people could I actually get? I could get me. Yeah, I don't know if I can get anyone else. All right, we're just gonna wing it, all right? I can get more people. Each person is an extra $5. Oh, he's typing. 2 boys, 2 girls. Okay, I think I could do that. So I messaged Zik back saying I could do that. I told him to send the scripts over and it would be $20 for 4 people. He said he was gonna write them and send them to me, and I said perfect. However, it wasn't so perfect. So it's been several hours. As you can see, it's now dark outside, and we still haven't got another message. The last thing I said was 11 hours ago, and I just said perfect, and that was 11 hours ago. I feel like he's just trolling me. He said like he wants me to do it, but he hasn't like sent me the script or anything. Right now I haven't got any other messages either, so this is the only one we've actually got that we can like guarantee money. I think I'm gonna sleep on it, and hopefully when I wake up he's replied, paid the money, sent the scripts, and I can get it out the way and finally earn some money. 21. Okay, so I've just woken up. I checked my emails on my phone, and we haven't just received 1 message, we've received 2. Inbox 2, let's view them all, let's see what we got. Wait, so Zik hasn't replied. He still hasn't sent us a script. We've got 2 new messages. So we got a message from someone called Ice Pick Concrete, and he just replied to the thing saying dares question mark. I don't know what he wanted to do, but he's been banned apparently since he sent that message. So that's great. And then we got the other one, Tyler Potty TV. Hey, do you have any other celebs? I would be so interested. Yeah, of course, I can do anyone, but the prices may vary depending on who it is. What I think I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna message Zik again, and I'm just gonna try and push him to make the order, because I'm only going to be doing this for 1 week, then I'm gone. So I messaged Zik saying I won't be working after Friday, so if he wants the order, he has to make it before then. I haven't checked our gigs today, so I'm going to see what our views are saying, see if they've gone up at all. Okay, anything you want on these on 195 views. These 3, they're slacking, to be honest with you. And so with that, I deleted the I'll edit your video post, and I decided to replace it with a hybrid of my 2 most popular ones. I'll do anything and Photoshop. I'll do anything on Photoshop. Genius, I know. I also went on Photoshop and did a few little edits just to make my listings look a little bit more professional. And to be honest, that's pretty much all we did this day. It was a slow day in the office.
They usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Okay guys, I've just woken up. It's the next day. I've checked my phone, I've checked my emails, and we've got nothing. No emails. It's Thursday now. I started this on Sunday and we still haven't got a single order. Alright, let's check our gigs as well. Okay, look. The video editing one had 1 view in like 3 days. Now, the Photoshop one's already got 13 views. Anything you want on these on 227. These are all going up, but people aren't buying them. Guys, Zik just replied, okay, we will do it today. I want 8 people. That might be a problem. I mean, 8 people at $5 a piece, that's $40. But I don't know 8 people. You think you can arrange it before going? Yes. I can do me, my sister, my mum, my dad. That's 4. It's a lot of people, isn't it? 8's a lot of people. So for the next hour, I panicked, trying to think of 8 people that I could get to do this. And Zik replied once again. Okay, I'm sending the scripts in a minute. We're talking about 8 people, 3 sentences each, $40, right? Send all of these. Oh my gosh, we're actually making money. Who would have thought it? And so I sent Zik through the final offer, $40 whole. Next thing I knew, I got an email and he accepted it. We have done it. We've got our first order of $40. $40. I'm so excited. I'm so happy we've actually got an order. I honestly thought the way it was going, we weren't going to get a single order. But we've got one. It's Zik, the main man, has come through. Zik also sent all the scripts through, and now all I had to do was find 7 other people to help me do this. Now, I realized the only people I know that are comfortable on camera are other YouTubers. So I reached out to some of my YouTube friends, desperately trying to convince them to do a bit on their camera and send it to me. We had Jack on board, and he also offered for his brother to be in it and also his friend. We also convinced Jordan to be on it, so that was 4, including me 5. So all I needed to do was get 3 more people tomorrow. So that's the plan for tomorrow, and hopefully, we get some more orders.
It was just banter.
Okay, so it's Friday morning. Check my email this morning and Jack has sent me over the 3 clips.
We're filming for George Mason's FIVERR project,
which means we now got 4 out of 8. Shout out to all these guys for helping me out. If you want to check any of them out, their links will be in the description. I'm going to shower in a bit, film mine, that's 5. And then we just need 3 more. So I then filmed my 3 sentences and everything was good, right? Right? No, wrong. Because my Wi-Fi got turned off. I tried to fix it myself, but I had no idea what I was doing. And of course, it didn't work.
it's not working.
So I was now working against the clock to get this done and using the hotspot off my phone for internet. I tried to explain the situation to Zik to see if he'd give me an extension on my deadline, and he asked to see what I've done so far. So I sent him my one, and this is what he replied. Hi, you look good. Thanks. Few things. The image and sound does not match. I want to see you sitting by a computer. You're supposed to be a website builder. Look like one. Zik literally just violated my whole career as a FIVERR seller. He wants me to sound like a website builder. What does a website builder sound like? I couldn't go back to Jack and Jordan and tell them to redo it. I'd had enough. I messaged Zik saying take it or leave it. I explained I couldn't get the 3 girls. If he wanted what I'd done already, he could take it, but I wasn't refilming it. Do the rest by computer and yourself. It will be 4 + 4. I can read the remaining 4 script myself and I'll still get all the money. So I quickly messaged Zik to make sure it was alright for me to do the final 4, and he replied saying it was. I had 39 minutes to read the sentences, get them on my computer and get them sent over to Zik. I quickly changed into my most website builder outfit that I have, set my camera up, and I was away. I filmed and filmed and filmed. Okay guys, I've just finished. I'm putting the footage on my computer right now. I think we've literally got like 2 minutes to do it. I trimmed all the footage and sent it over to Zik. It did take like another 10 minutes because remember, I'm doing this off my hotspot. Deliver work. It is done. I feel like a weight has been lifted off me. $40, it wasn't worth it. But it didn't matter, we had done it. We had completed our first ever FIVERR job. I literally want to go to sleep right now. That was so stressful. And that's exactly what I did. I went to bed a happy man.
Ooh, you're hard.
This is it, the final day of working on FIVERR. So just as I was checking FIVERR for one final time, I was welcomed with a surprise. We've got another order. What? We've got another order, I didn't even know. Wait, it's due in 8 hours. What's this order? Sideshow Bob 69. You've received a new order, check it out. Hi Gorge. This is gonna sound really weird, I know. But I told I'm really to makey friends at school, and I accidentally lied about having a Mexican cousin that eats frozen hamburgers. I don't know what to do. I think you seem really nice, and I can imagine you doing the above. What? I'm confused. I'm definitely getting trolled, right? I feel like this has got to be someone in the George Mason Nation, surely. This can't be a normal... What? Maybe someone found me and are trying to troll me and make me eat a frozen hamburger? What exactly do you want me to do? Thanks. Gorge. We've only got 8 hours to do it as well. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours. Sideshow Bob 69 still hasn't got back to us. We've got 6 hours left. However, we did get a message for a new person called Samuel Ring. Hey, are you open for some crazy gigs? Like walk around some days with shoes full of raw eggs, or challenge versus friend with hard forfeit for loser. Samuel, it's been a long week. It's a no from me. So after rejecting Samuel, we got another message. So this person wanted to know if I could Photoshop her next to Simon Cowell. And I said I probably could, but I needed to see some photos of her that I could then find one of Simon Cowell to put next to her. And she sent me through a whole bunch of photos and I started working on the Photoshop. And in the meantime, whilst I was doing this, the clock was still ticking on the Sideshow Bob deal. He still hadn't got back to me, and by the time I realised this, there was 3 minutes left. He still hasn't replied what he wants me to do, so I don't know what to do. So with 3 minutes remaining, I went downstairs, searched through my freezer for a frozen burger, and I found one. Well, a vegan burger, but it's close enough. I then tried to do my best impression of a Mexican accent. If any Mexicans are watching this in advance, I'm sorry. Hey hermano, it's your cousin. Basically, man, Why do I always say man? Hey hermano, it's me. I sound Russian. Hola hermano, how are you, my friend? My cousin, not my friend. I then decided the Mexican accent was just too bad, so I decided to just take a selfie. Hola cousin, I am now vegan. I love frozen vegan burgers, even better than meat ones. Come visit me soon, amigo. I think that'll do. Here you go, cousin. Waiting feedback on both the people, but we have secured the $45. I also forgot to say, I did the job where the girl asked me to Photoshop her with Simon Cowell, but by the time I finished it, the 7 days were over, so I decided to just give it to her for free. I'm such a nice guy. But she did offer to pay, and if she did pay, that would have been $10, so we're just gonna add that to the sum. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see if we get any feedback. This should be interesting. And so that is the end to our week working on Fiverr. Would I want to do it again? Probably not. So in summary, to working a week on Fiverr, we got a total of 3 jobs. I mean, it was technically only 2, but I'm gonna class it as 3 because the other person would have paid, but I was like, you know what, let's have it for free. But if I did charge it would have been a total of $65, 40 from the scripts, 5 from the Mexican cousin eating a frozen hamburger, and then the Photoshop with a celebrity was $10, but I gave it to her for free. From what I experienced, I feel like the longer you're on there, the more jobs you'd get. Like at the start of the week, I had none, and by the end, I literally had like 3-4 messages in one day from different people. So it's a Fiverr career for me. Will it get me my Balenciagas? Probably not. If you want Balenciagas, don't become a Fiverr seller. But let me know what you guys thought. I'm not sure if this video is going to have comments. It probably won't, but if it does, let me know what you thought. But yeah, guys, it's been George Mason TV. If you have enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's been George Mason over and out. Boom.